Hello there, fellow trading enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your compass in the vast sea of trading knowledge. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey, a deep dive into the treasure trove of trading wisdom found within the legendary book, Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. The author of Market Wizards, Jack D. Schwager, is a highly respected figure in the world of finance and trading. He is renowned for his in-depth understanding of trading, his ability to capture the insights of successful traders, and his talent for conveying complex trading concepts in an accessible and engaging manner. Schwager's career has been marked by his dedication to exploring the minds and strategies of some of the most successful traders in the industry. He is known for his series of books titled Market Wizards, where he conducts in-depth interviews with top traders, uncovering their trading philosophies, strategies, and experiences. These books offer readers an unprecedented opportunity to learn from the best in the business. Through his interviews and writing, Schwager has gained a reputation for his ability to extract practical wisdom from successful traders and present it in a way that traders of all levels can benefit from. His writing style is both informative and conversational, making it easy for readers to grasp complex trading concepts while feeling like they are having a one-on-one conversation with these trading legends. So, grab your notebook and a cup of your favorite brew, as we set sail through the pages that hold the secrets of the trading titans. Chapter 1: Introduction to the Masters. Imagine entering a grand hall where trading legends gather, sharing their stories and insights. Market Wizards opens the door to this hall, introducing you to the master traders who've navigated the markets with finesse. Each chapter reads like an intimate conversation, as Schwager sits down with trading icons like Tudor Jones, Ed Seykota, and Bruce Kovner. Their experiences, strategies, and philosophies are unveiled in a way that's both enlightening and inspiring. As you take a sip of your coffee, envision yourself among these trading luminaries, absorbing their wisdom as if sitting at their table. Chapter 2: The Art of Risk Management. Welcome to Chapter 2, where we delve deep into the art of risk management, a cornerstone of successful trading. Just as a skilled navigator charts a course through turbulent waters, these trading wizards employ meticulous risk management techniques to safeguard their capital. Let's unveil the secrets behind their position sizing and stop-loss strategies, using real-world examples to illuminate their effectiveness. Position sizing. Position sizing is like determining the right portion size for a spell. It ensures that no matter the outcome, your trading capital remains protected. Imagine you have a total trading capital of $50,000. One trading wizard, let's call him Trader A, adheres to a 2% risk per trade strategy. For every trade, Trader A risks only 2% of his capital, which translates to $1,000. Now, let's contrast this with Trader B, who doesn't follow a disciplined position sizing approach. Trader B invests $5,000 in a single trade, which amounts to 10% of his capital. The trade goes south, and Trader B faces a loss. While Trader A's position sizing limits his loss to $1,000, Trader B suffers a significant blow by losing $5,000. Consider how disciplined position sizing can act as a shield, minimizing potential losses and preserving your trading capital. Stop-loss strategies. Think of stop-loss orders as your magical wards, guarding against unexpected market movements. Trader C, one of the featured wizards, employs a systematic approach to stop losses. He sets his stop-loss level at a fixed percentage, say 2%, below the entry price of his trade. This means that if the trade moves against him, the maximum loss he'll incur is 2% of his capital. Now, let's look at Trader D, who uses a discretionary approach to stop losses. Without a clear strategy, Trader D sets his stop-loss arbitrarily, hoping to ride out market fluctuations. Unfortunately, the trade takes an unexpected turn, and Trader D faces a loss that exceeds his risk tolerance. Reflect on how disciplined stop-loss strategies can act as safeguards, preventing emotional decisions and limiting potential losses. By employing disciplined position sizing and strategic stop-loss orders, these trading wizards are able to navigate the markets with confidence and resilience. Their risk management techniques are like a shield and armor, ensuring that no single trade can deal a crippling blow to their capital. As you absorb the wisdom of disciplined risk management, envision yourself implementing these strategies in your own trading endeavors. So, my fellow trading apprentices, as we conclude Chapter 2, remember that just as these trading wizards have mastered the art of risk management, you too have the power to wield these techniques to protect and enhance your trading capital. Join me in the next chapter as we unveil the diverse strategies that these legends have harnessed to triumph in the markets. Take a moment to contemplate how disciplined risk management can reshape your trading approach, leading to a more resilient and profitable journey. Chapter 3: Strategies of Triumph. Welcome back to Chapter 3, where we're about to embark on an exciting exploration of trading strategies that have propelled these legends to triumph in the markets. Think of this chapter as a treasure trove of techniques, each akin to a unique spell that these trading wizards have mastered. Let's dive into 2 intriguing strategies that can cast a spell of success in your own trading journey. Trend following. Picture this. You're catching the wind in your sails as you navigate the open seas. Trend following is quite similar. Traders ride the prevailing market trends, harnessing their momentum for potential profits. Trader E, one of the wizards, excels at this approach. He meticulously studies charts, looking for trends in price movements. Once a trend is identified, Trader E jumps on board and rides the wave until signs of a reversal appear. For instance, let's say Trader E spots an uptrend in a stock's price. He waits for a brief pullback, a temporary dip, and then enters the trade. As the stock continues to climb, Trader E adjusts his stop-loss order to lock in profits. When the trend shows signs of weakening, he exits the trade with a smile and pockets his gains. Imagine yourself harnessing the power of trend following, catching profitable waves as they surge through the markets. Contrarianism. Now, let's venture into the realm of contrarianism, the art of going against the crowd. Imagine a bustling marketplace where everyone is buying, and you decide to explore the opposite direction. Trader F, a true contrarian, seeks out situations where market sentiment is overly optimistic or pessimistic. When most traders are convinced of a particular direction, Trader F looks for signs of a potential reversal. For instance, let's say a currency pair has been in a downtrend, causing most traders to predict further decline. But Trader F spots indications of trend exhaustion, perhaps oversold conditions or a bullish divergence on indicators. Recognizing an opportunity, Trader F enters a long trade, anticipating a reversal. As the trend indeed reverses, Trader F reaps substantial rewards. Envision yourself as a contrarian trader, skillfully navigating against the prevailing sentiment and uncovering hidden opportunities. These strategies are like tools in a wizard's kit, versatile and powerful, waiting for you to wield them effectively. Whether you're drawn to riding trends or embracing contrarianism, these approaches offer you a chance to craft your own trading spells for success. With these strategies in mind, picture yourself confidently stepping onto the trading stage, armed with the knowledge of trend following and contrarianism. As we wrap up Chapter 3, remember that these strategies aren't just abstract concepts. They're the secret recipes these trading wizards have used to conjure their market successes. Join me in the next chapter as we delve into the psyche of these traders, uncovering the psychological fortitude that fuels their journey through the markets. Take a moment to imagine how you can integrate these strategies into your own trading routine, casting your spells of success in the markets. Chapter 4: The Mental Game. Just as a wizard sharpens their mind for spellcasting, so do successful traders hone their mental faculties. Chapter 4 uncovers the psychological aspects of trading. Fear, greed, discipline. Schwager delves into the minds of these wizards, uncovering how they cultivate the mindset required for successful trading. You'll learn that trading isn't just about charts. It's about mastering your own emotions and impulses. Take a deep breath and another sip of your coffee. Realizing that the true magic lies in mastering your own mind. Chapter 5: Tales of Triumph and Loss. Every journey has its ups and downs, and trading is no exception. In Chapter 5, you'll be captivated by tales of triumph and loss from the trading wizards themselves. These stories aren't just accounts of trades. They're windows into the personal growth, resilience, and adaptability that define successful traders. Through Schwager's storytelling, you'll discover that even the greatest traders face challenges and emerge stronger. Reflect on the lessons embedded in these tales, as if gazing into a mirror that reveals your own potential for growth. Chapter 6: The Quest for Consistency. The Quest for Consistency, the Holy Grail of Trading. Chapter 6 explores how these wizards achieved enduring success. It's like deciphering a map that leads to the treasure trove of consistent profits. Schwager uncovers their routines, disciplines, and routines that help them weather storms and thrive. As you read, you'll sense that consistency isn't a distant dream. It's a goal that's attainable with the right mindset and strategies. Envision yourself as an adventurer, following the footsteps of these trading legends on the path to consistent success. And there you have it, my fellow trading adventurers, a whirlwind expedition through the illustrious market wizards by Jack D. Schwager. As you close this chapter, remember that each trader's story is a beacon, illuminating your path to trading excellence. Whether you're a novice eager to grasp trading principles or a seasoned trader seeking fresh insights, Market Wizards promises to be your guiding star. If you found this glimpse into the world of trading legends enticing, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, show your support with a thumbs up, and share this video with fellow trading enthusiasts. Your engagement fuels our mission to uncover trading treasures and share them with our growing community. And now, a thought for contemplation. If you're captivated by these stories of trading mastery and hunger for more book reviews that unveil the wisdom within trading literature, share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights guide us in crafting content that resonates with you. Thank you for joining me on this voyage through the realm of market wizards. Until our next rendezvous, may your trades be prosperous, your learning be ceaseless, and your journey through the markets be as legendary as the wizards themselves. Stay tuned, and as always, trade well and prosper.